Welcome. In front of me I have video recorder Xblitz ParkView Ultra, and I'm going to show you how you can set up the date and the time settings. So at the first, click here to enter the menu, click it one more time, and here we have to go for the clock settings. Click OK, and we can set up the currently date. Click OK, and there's the month, so set month and the day. And today it is the first day. Okay, and we can set up also the time. And the last option, there we are, set up the minutes, and click OK to confirm. And as you can see, our date and time has changed. Oh no, it's not changed. Why? What happens here? Okay, right now. So if you have the problem like me, the issue that for the first time it doesn't work, you have to enter, click it all this the year, month, day, and the minute, and then just click OK, and or after that it will be set up. So I don't know, it's some kind of bug, but it happens, right? So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.